The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit and means to join or unite. It's an ancient practice that brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It is a form of exercise that is performed through diet, breathing, and physical posture. Yoga helps to maintain a balance between oneself and the environment. The effects of yoga are far reaching. It acts as an aid to one's health, hereby bringing a balance between the body, soul, and mind. Yoga helps us to deal with several problems and worries. By regular practice of yoga, an individual can get rid of health-related problems. Yoga promotes self-healing, enhances personal power, and increases self-awareness. It removes toxins from the body and also removes negative thoughts from the mind. Yoga is known to reduce stress and tension in the physical body and also helps us in reducing weight. The person feels rejuvenated and energized. In Hindu mythology, God Shiva and Goddess Parvati are depicted as an emblematic yogi-yogini pair. Rishikesh is the self-styled yoga capital of the world and is considered to be the birthplace of this widely popular practice that's said to benefit both the body and mind. Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. This one will strengthen the lower back muscles while cushioning the spine, triceps, and opens the chest to promote the inhalations. It also makes the spine flexible. Lie on your stomach with your feet together and toes flat. Place your hands downwards below your shoulders on the mat. Lift your waist and raise your head while inhaling in. Pull your torso back with the support of your hands. Keep your elbows straight and make sure you put equal pressure on both palms. Tilt your head back and make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. Exhale while coming back to the ground. Kursiasana or the chair pose. An intensely powerful pose, this one strengthens the muscles of the legs and arms. It builds your willpower and has an energizing effect on the body and mind. Stand straight with your feet slightly apart. Stretch your arms but don't bend your elbow. Inhale and bend your knees, pushing your pelvis down like you are sitting on a chair. Keep your hands parallel to the ground and back straight. Take deep breaths. Bend gradually, but make sure your knees don't go beyond your toes. Child's pose. This restful posture helps let go and surrender. It restores vitality physically, mentally, and emotionally. Insert the pose between challenging asanas and practice with closed eyes, listening to the sound of your breath. Bend your knees and sit on your heels. Keep your hips on your heels. Lower your head on the mat and bring your hands forward by your side. Press your thighs against your chest and breathe lightly. The easy pose may seem as an easy exercise, but it has many benefits for the body. For example, it is a hip opener. It is calming and it eases the menstrual pain for women in addition to lowering the level of anxiety. While doing the pose, make sure your spine is in a straight position. The Warrior One is a great pose for those of you who have had a hectic day at work and just need to relax your body and mind. While in this pose, you are strengthening your legs, you're opening your chest and shoulders, and doing movements we usually don't do throughout the day, but they are necessary for a good posture and peaceful mind. The effects out of these posture are tremendous. It strengthens the muscles of your knees and feet, and it also stretches your shoulders and spine, and it improves your focus. The Warrior Two yoga pose also strengthens your legs and arms, opens your chest and shoulders, and contracts your abdominal organs. Your breath needs to be regulated. Your focus should be on the expansion of your arms, which will help you to improve your patience. Keep yourself elevated rather than collapsing with your hips. Don't allow the gravitation to pull you down. Stay strong. Trikonasana, or the triangle pose. It stretches the legs and torso, mobilizes the hips, and promotes deep breathing, leaving one with enlivening effects. Stand with your feet wide apart. Stretch your right foot out at 90 degrees while keeping the leg closer to the torso. Keep your feet pressed against the ground and balance your weight equally on both feet. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend your right arm and make it touch the ground while your left arm goes up. Keep your waist straight. Ensure that your body is bent sideways and not forward or backwards. Stretch as much as you can while taking long, deep breaths. Repeat on the other side. The four-limbed stuff yoga pose strengthens your arms, wrists, and abdomen. It is also a good preparation pose for more challenging arm balancing poses. Vrikshasana, or the tree pose. This pose gives you a sense of grounding. It improves your balance and strengthens your legs and back. It replicates the steady stance of a tree. Place your right foot high up on your left thigh. The sole of the foot should be flat and placed firmly. Keep your left leg straight and find your balance. While inhaling, raise your arms over your head and bring your palms together. Ensure that your spine is straight and take a few deep breaths. Slowly exhale, bring your hands down and release your right leg. Back in the standing position, repeat the same with the other leg. Naukasana, or the boat pose. It tightens the abdominal muscles and strengthens shoulders and upper back. It leaves the practitioner with a sense of stability. Lie back on the mat with your feet together and hands by your side. Take a deep breath and while exhaling, gently lift your chest and feet off the ground. Stretch your hands in the direction of your feet. Your eyes, fingers, and toes should be in one line. Hold till you feel some tension in your navel area as your abdominal muscles begin to contract. As you exhale, come back to the ground and relax. The crow yoga pose or Bakasana strengthens the wrists, forearms and abdomen while also stretching the hamstring. Balance is crucial for this pose. The Pincha Mayurasana or arm balancing yoga pose is one of the advanced yoga poses. This particular one helps you with the blood flow throughout your body. It calms your mind and it strengthens your arms. If you yet cannot do it as shown, you can always use the wall for support and the benefits are the same. Savasana or the corpse yoga pose is one of the most important postures. It is meant to rejuvenate your body and mind after practice while also allowing you to shift your attention to your inner self. The benefits are lowering your blood pressure, calming you, and giving your body the opportunity to absorb all the benefits you worked out for. The Bandha Sarvangasana or the bridge yoga pose is a great front hip joint opener. It also strengthens your spine, opens the chest, and improves your spinal flexibility in addition to stimulating your thyroid glands. This pose brings many benefits to your body, such as the relief from stress, anxiety, insomnia, and it can also help with depression. The King Dancer yoga pose strengthens your legs, improves balance and core strength while also stretching your shoulders and improving your focus. It is one of the most graceful of all asanas. Adho Mukho Svanasana or the downward facing dog pose. This pose stretches hamstrings, chest and lengthens the spine, providing additional blood flow to the head. It will leave you feeling energized. Sit on your heels, stretch your arms forward on the mat and lower your head. Form a table like pushing your hands, strengthening your legs and slowly raising your hips. Press your heels down, let your head hang freely and tighten your waist. Sukhasana is a comfortable position for pranayama and meditation. It gives the practitioner a centering effect. All the other asanas are done to eventually make the body feel comfortable to be able to sit in this position for meditation. This asana takes the yoga practice beyond its physical dimension and helps you get in touch with your spiritual side. Sit comfortably on the mat with crossed legs. That is, the left leg tucked inside the right thigh and the right leg tucked inside the left thigh. Keep spine straight. Place your hands on your knees. You can either use the Jnana Mudra or the Chin Mudra. Relax your body and breathe gently. International Day of Yoga was first proposed on 27 September 2014 at the United Nations General Assembly by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. It is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. PM Narendra Modi has always believed in the power of yoga and has also been sharing his thoughts on yoga time and again. Yoga is a symbol of universal aspiration for health and well-being. It is health assurance in zero budget. Yoga is not only about Rog Mukti but also Bhog Mukti. Yoga can be our cultural ambassador. We can reach out to the world through this medium, said Mr. Modi in one of his speeches. The theme of the International Day of Yoga 2018 was Yoga for Peace. The theme of International Day of Yoga 2017 was Yoga for Health. In 2016, it was Connect the Youth, and 2015, it said Yoga for Harmony and Peace. This year, 2021, the theme of the International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Well-being. This theme is relevant in today's time as the world is reeling from the major upheaval of the coronavirus pandemic. We are not only celebrating International Yoga Day, we are training the human mind to begin a new era of peace or Sadbhavana. In a world suffering from mental stress, yoga promises calm. In a distracted world, yoga creates focus and concentration. In a world of fear, yoga promises strength and courage. A healthy body and a disciplined mind are the foundation of a world free from fear. In crafting a new self through yoga, we actually end up creating a new world.